Hey, it's your girl B, and welcome to ItsSoBei. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we want to see you here weekly on ItsSo.
Oh my god, it finally arrived! Yes! I can't wait to open this! Can't wait! Oh my god, it just came. Guys, my secret package! So let's get into the unboxing. I'm going to make sure that everything is good. I always lotion my hands up before I open anything. Oh my god, why did I get so much lotion? Okay. Well, also, my lotion is Seacret. I love my lotions. Okay, so I think I lotioned me up. We're going to wipe this off. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing from Seacret. These are some of the best products you can get. So, we're going to see what they're like. And I got lotion all on my own. Dun, 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 dun. This is too funny. Okay. Let me do it this way. This is why I don't do unboxings live a lot or do unboxings. Because I got these nails and man, I just be wanting to rip the box open like I'm a big kid. And just be like, oh my god. Just, this is a fight. Okay. So you guys are seeing me for the first time unbox my new Seacret products. And when I mean secret products, I mean secret products. Alright, here it comes in this wrap. Definitely in the wrap. So the first thing I got, I'm going to turn around this way, is this is called the Greens. So I'm going to test this out. This is called the Greens. It is a green like shake. So it's a protein shake, but it's more greens. Everything in it is totally healthy. This is something that I've not tried personally, but all of my friends have. Just saying, all of my friends have. And shouts out to M Black and Angelina the Fox. Lovely Fox. Alright, also, we got here going up. This is the booster. Can you see that, guys? Booster. Hello. So this is supposed to boost your immune system, boost your energy levels, get you going like, yeah. And we want that in our everyday lives. We really do. We want to be able to keep our immune system up, keep our health up. And the reason why I am dressed like this is because I've gained a little weight, guys, in the middle. As you can see, my COVID belly. We be talking about that. And I'm on this 60-day challenge with Seacret to get healthy and fit. And me being a fitness instructor, I really gotta get fit because I got a little lazy, just not saying. And right here, oh my god, these are so good. Now I think I tried the recovery, and after a night out, this actually works. It makes you feel better. Not saying that you're supposed to take this as a night out, you know, remedy, but if you do, it works, just saying. So it's very helpful, and recovery is, of course, to put things back into your body that's missing from your body. Next. Whew. Wow. Okay. This is the chocolate shake I got for Boo. Oh no, I got him vanilla because we ran out of chocolate shakes on our site. Just to let you know, you can go to ItsSo with Seacret.com. You'll see the link posted below, and you can get these products yourself. Now, we were going to get the chocolate, but the chocolate was sold out. So that lets you know this must be absolutely fabulous that everybody has brought all the chocolate. So we're going to try the vanilla shakes. These are the protein shakes. Now, I don't have to explain what protein shakes are, because a lot of us already know. Some of us like, oh my god, this is what you have. Yes, this is what I have. And it's all a part of my road to being more healthy this year. So, being a part of and being with Seacret, I am trying everything that we have to buy. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, that's all that's in the box. So we're going to put our trusty box over here in the B corner. So with our products, what you're gonna see is me going on a daily physical challenge with my Seacret products and with my home gym aerial silks and doing our poles. But I'm gonna try these green shakes. I'm just like excited about trying the green shakes. Now mind you, Seacret has more than just shakes, pills, and potions. There's some skincare, healthcare, of course. There's lotions, girls. Actually, I got this lotion, and I just want to say this really quick. I got this lotion when I went to our training and we go hang out with some friends and things like that. And it was absolutely fabulous on a trip. I said, girl, it smells good. It really smells like pomegranate. Just like, seriously, it smells like pomegranate. And I love pomegranate. So not to ramble on with this life, I'm going to try these today. Going to see what I need to put in it. Now, I'm not sure if this is one that you add milk or water because I haven't tried it as of yet, but I'm going to. So we're going to be honest. I'm probably going to use water versus milk for myself personally because I don't drink milk like that, and it's not because it's not healthy, but humans are the only creatures on the planet that does drink milk after birth. Most animals don't drink milk after, and after I seen the 60-year-old bodybuilder tell me he don't drink milk, he's healthy. So we're going to try these. Now every day I'm going to get up, I'm going to take these boosters, and I'm going to take these recoveries. So you're going to see that. But you're going to join me on this healthy journey. So that's it from your girl B. ItsSoBei today. And we're going to go with our Seacret products. Love ya. Talk to you soon. Ciao.
Hey, it's your girl B, and thanks for joining us here at ItsSo. Can't wait to see you next time. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Mwah.